Okay, this is actually perfect because I wanted to show you guys my favorite keyboard from Aula. This is the keyboard that really changed everything for me. So this is the Aula F75 and check it out. It sounds really nice. And check out that downward RGB. That looks amazing. It looks like a cloud. Now I've picked these up in several colors because I love them so much. I literally picked up every color and I was giving them away, using them on my setups. Like, I just absolutely love